The name of the chapter is water bodies, and in that we are particularly studying about lakes and rivers. So in our last class itself, we started with this chapter. We understood the definition of what do we mean by a lake. A lake is a water body which is surrounded by land on all the sides. Then we went on to understand the importance of a lake. Why a lake is essential for us. So after understanding all those lakes, now in this class we are going to study some of the lakes, some of the important lakes that we find throughout the world. And the first lake we are going to take up for our study is Lake Baikal. What is the name of the lake? The name of the lake is Lake Baikal. It is written as Baikal, also as Baykal. Both the if we write in both the types, it is fine. Baikal is also correct. Baykal is also correct because in some of the atlas it is written as Baykal. So where is this Lake Baikal located? Let's first see the location. This lake is situated in the country of Russia. See, this is the country, this is Russia. In the northern hemisphere, we have this Russia. So, Russia is the first largest country in the world. On the surface of the earth, this is the largest country. So, this lake Baikal is situated in Russia. Now, let's see the specific location. This is Lake Baikal. This in blue color. This we call it. This is Lake Baikal. So this Lake Baikal is situated or is in Russia. We know that. And coming to the specific location, the Lake Baikal is situated in or on the south in the southeast part of Siberian region. It is located in southeastern part of Siberia. Now don't get confused with what is this Siberia. Siberia is a region in Russia. See, Russia is such a large country and it consists of many of the regions, of which Siberia is also one of the region, and the Lake Baikal is situated in the eastern part of this Siberia. So this was about the specific location of Russia. Sorry, Lake Baikal. Now what are the features of this lake? Features. The first feature of this lake is that it is a freshwater lake. It is a freshwater lake. What is a freshwater? Freshwater is the one which we can use for drinking also. That means the water does not have the salt content and which can be used for drinking. The water which is potable. The water which can be used for various other purposes like irrigation or for other utilities. So, this Lake Baikal is a freshwater lake. It is not a brackish water or a salt water lake. Now, coming to the second feature. This is the deepest lake. This is one of the deepest lake in the world, and it is 1,700 feet. The depth is 1,700 meters. Imagine the depth 1,700 meter. Usually the depth of the well will be 20 meter, 20 meter or 30 meter. We call Ababa. That much is the depth. Imagine 1,700 meters of depth. This was then this Lake Baikal is also one of the oldest lakes in the world. Date back to 25 million years ago. It is the deepest lake of the world. Yes, it is the oldest lake of the world. Then what are the other specialities of this lake? Another speciality is during the winter season, the lake is almost frozen because in this Siberian region, during the winter season, the temperature drops to minus degree and particularly near the Lake Baikal region, near the Lake Baikal, the temperature during the winter will be minus 19 degrees Celsius. On an average, it will be minus 19 degrees Celsius. Such is the temperature of this region. So, because of that, during the winter season, the Lake Baikal is almost frozen. We can see only the icebergs, or it's like we can walk on the lake because it is frozen. But during the summer months, it reattains its normal position or normal liquidity conditions. Then after this is one of the clearest lakes of the world. The water in this lake Baikal is crystal clear. Then after this, the Lake Baikal is known for various flora and fauna. It is known for giving habitat to various kinds of plants, various kinds of animal species, and important among them are musk deer, Siberian musk deer. It is called as Siberian musk deer, Siberian reindeer, Siberian reindeer, then red fox, Siberian, all the Siberian red fox. So these are some of the animals which we find. I am telling some of the animals. The region hosts nearly 1,200 species of plant species and nearly I think 1,500 species of animal diversity. So it is a very diverse region having many kinds of animals and plant species. And the region is also known for its scenic beauty. This is another feature of the lake. The region is known for its scenic beauty, wherein it is one of the tourist spots in the country of Russia. Obviously, when such is the important features of the lake, obviously everyone would like to visit because this is one of the deepest lakes in the world, one of the oldest lakes in the world. So people like to visit such places and it automatically becomes the places of tourist importance, and such places also generate revenue for the government. When a place is of a tourist importance, that means people visit. When people visit, revenue is generated. It provides also certain kinds of employment to the nearby region. So, the places of tourist important. This was about the Lake Baikal, one of the important lakes not only in the Russia but throughout the world. The next lake is Lake Omega. Lake Omega. It is actually Lake Onega. The next lake is Lake Onega. In your textbook, they have given it as Lake Omega. Lake Omega. It is not Omega. But for your reference, I am also writing what is given in your textbook. Omega. Now, first the location. This lake, Lake Omega, is located in location. It is located in the northwestern part of Europe. In the northwestern part of Russia. See, here is Lake Onega. Here is this one is Lake Onega. This part, this is Lake Onega. That means this Lake Onega is in the country of Russia again. This is the second lake we are coming across in the country of Russia. The first lake was Lake Baikal. So this Lake Onega is in the northwestern part of Russia. Northwestern part of Russia. Observe one thing. This Lake Onega is very near to the Europe. So this is the another feature. Coming to the features of the river, coming to the features of the lake. Lake is very near to Europe. See, this is our European continent. Here is the country of Finland, Sweden, Denmark, Germany, Poland. These are some of the countries of the Europe. And this Lake Onega is very near to countries like Finland, then Sweden, Denmark, etc. Now, the lake is connected with Baltic Sea and White Sea by White Sea Baltic Canal. The lake, the lake is connected to Baltic Sea and the lake is also connected to White Sea. This is the White Sea region. This is White Sea. See, here it is. Please take out your atlas and when I say, you also refer, simultaneously refer. Open your atlas, come to the Asia political, in that, or you can also refer Europe political. Here is White Sea. Lake Onega is connected to White Sea and this is Baltic Sea. This sea we call it as Baltic Sea and we have already studied our Baltic Sea in the last chapter. So you already know the location of the Baltic Sea. This is Baltic Sea and this is White Sea. And this Lake Onega is connected to the White Sea and connected to the Baltic Sea through White Sea Baltic Canal. Through which canal? Through White Sea and Baltic Sea Canal. This was another feature of this lake. As this Lake Onega is connected to the Baltic Sea, as it is connected to the White Sea, and it is also connected with the Volga River basin. Volga is one of the important rivers of Russia, and this Volga River flows here. And this Lake Onega is also connected to the Volga River basin. As it is connected to all these three important water bodies, this Lake Onega plays an important role in internal and internal transportation, that is, in the domestic transportation as well as in international transportation of goods and passengers and goods. So, how internal? Why internal? We can say why domestic transportation? Because through river Olga and this Onega river basin, there is a connection. So, domestic transportation is done. How international transportation of goods is done? Why? How in the sense? See, from the country of Finland, here is the country of Finland. From Finland, from Sweden, from Denmark, this is Denmark, and from Germany also, goods are shipped and They are transported to Baltic White Sea Canal. That way they are transported. This is how international transportation of goods are done in this region because Finland, Sweden, Denmark, Germany, these are the foreign countries. For Russia, these are the neighboring countries. These are the foreign countries. So this is when goods are transported from one country to another country. We consider it as international trade. So this is how international trade comes into play in this region because the goods are transported from Finland, Germany, Denmark, Sweden to Lake Onega region through the Lake Onega using the Baltic Sea White Sea Canal. And another thing, fishing is also one of the important occupation of the people residing near the region. Fishing is also one of the important commercial activity. Fishing is also one of the important occupation. Why? Why? Because this is the second largest lake in Russia. Second largest lake. It is connected to White Sea. It is connected to Baltic Sea. So fishing is a occupational. Fishing is a commercial activity in this region. So the next lake we are going to study is Lake Titicaca. The next lake is Lake Titicaca. Name of the lake is quite unusual, right? Lake Titicaca. Where is this lake located? What are the important features of the lake or specialities of the lake? We will go through now. Lake Titicaca. C-A-C-A. Location. This Lake Titicaca is located in the continent of South America. Where is this located? Location. It is located in the continent of South America. So now in your atlas you have to open the page of South America. Either South America political or South America physical. Open the page because we know that this Lake Titicaca is located in the continent of South America. This was the general information. Now coming to the specific location. Now see, this is here. This is Lake Titicaca. This lake is situated between two countries, or I can say that the lake is shaped by two countries. Which are those two countries? One country is Peru and the other country is called Bolivia. The lake is shared. The lake is between countries of countries of Bolivia and Peru. Here is Peru, here is Bolivia, and in between these two countries we have the lake Titicaca. This, see the height of the lake. This lake is situated about 1200, more than 1200 meters above the sea level. Height of the river is about 1200 meters from the sea level. Such is the height. Such is the altitude, 1200 meters above sea level, making it the highest commercially navigable lake in the world. This is also one of the commercially navigable lake. Navigation is possible. transportation of goods, transportation of passengers also, it is possible in this region. Though it is situated at a certain altitude. The altitude is 1200 meters above the sea level. Even at such a altitude, navigation is possible in this region. And another next feature is, to this lake 22 rivers flow. 22 rivers drain in. That means, is it a freshwater lake or it is a brackish water lake? What it is? Lake Titicaca is also one of the freshwater lakes. It is also one of the freshwater lakes, and this Lake Titicaca provides water, that is drinking water, to the surrounding region, and so it provides fresh water. It also provides economic support through fishing. Fishing is one of the important occupations in this region. Now you may say why? Logical, it is a freshwater lake. The lake is situated at such an altitude. It provides water for fishing. Fishing is one of the commercial activity. Then water is also supplied for irrigation, agriculture, and it is one of the most important tourist place in both the Peruvian part as well as in the Bolivian part, because the lake is shared by two countries, and on both the sides of those countries this lake is of a tourist destination. That means again the lake is a source of revenue for the government. Not only that, in this region, many of the indigenous communities, many of the local communities are settled. They thrive over there. Fishing is done by them. In the sense, these indigenous communities are the protectors of the, usually indigenous communities protect the region, protect the surrounding regions. They are very eco-friendly people. So usual, that is why even the region gets preserved, protected, somewhat like this. So this was all about Lake Titicaca. The next lake is the Great Lakes of North America. So it's time to wind up the class. Before that, take down your homework. Today we have done 3 lakes. So the homework will be given on the basis of that itself. The first question is, write the features of Lake Onega. Second question is, where is Lake Baikal located? Where is Lake Baikal located? Question number 3. Name the countries. Name the countries. Name the countries in which. Name the countries in which Lake Titicaca. Name the countries in which Lake Titicaca is located, or they are shared. Name the countries in which, name the countries in which Lake Titicaca is located. Name the countries, because it is shared by two countries, isn't it? One is Peru and another one is Bolivia. So try to write these 3 questions in your homework book. Other than that, take another question. Question number 4. Question number 4. Write the importance of lake. Write the importance of lake. You have to write why the lake is important. It is a source of fresh water. The water is used for irrigation purpose. The water is used for agricultural purpose. Lakes are also tourist places or tourist destinations. Then what else? In this way, you have to write the importance of the lake. So this was all about today's class. We will meet in our next class with the remaining topic. Thank you.